Hey guys, today we are back on the channel on day 16 of the Daily Trick Shot / Quarantine Challenge. Today I'm going to be giving you a Pistol Pete trick shot. And yeah, so you'll see that later, but first I'd just like to say our goal is to comfort those people that are struggling through this quarantine period. Just make some people happy, you know? We just need this world to be peaceful. All right, so as long-time subscribers know, we started this challenge on May 5th, and we did May 5th, May 6th, May 7th, May 8th, May 9th, May 10th, May 11th, May 12th, May 13th, May 14th, May 15th, May 16th, May 17th, May 18th, May 19th, and today is what am I saying? It's day 16 on May 20th. I'd just like to say happy birthday to my friend Joey Keogh. It is his birthday today. I do not think he's following or subscribing, so you might not see this video, but I tagged him on Snapchat, so it's all good. All right. Woo! Now, and we're going to be ending this challenge at the end of quarantine. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button, which is a like, if people should know. And let's get into this. All right, so when I met Pistol Pete, when I said Pistol Pete trick shot, so I watched these two YouTube videos today on Pistol Pete playing horse against Bob McAdoo and Pistol Pete playing horse against George Gervin. He did win both, and I'm going to be showing you one of the trick shots that he did in both, and I'm pretty sure he got somebody on, like he gave someone a letter on the shot. So if I make it, it's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure it was, I'm not sure, I'm pretty sure it was Bob McAdoo, but I'm not going to make any promises. You guys can watch the video yourself, give it a like, and I don't know who made the video, so if you don't want to subscribe, I don't know, I don't really care. But I'd say it's about time to do this trick shot, and the trick shot so he went around the back and caught it on the reverse side and just did a lay-in like that. But it was a tougher lay-in than just going like this, because he went on this side like that. So let's see if we can make it, and then I can say, I forget who it was that missed it, but then I can say I made this trick shot in George Gervin, or Bob McAdoo didn't, or Bob McAdoo didn't. Hall of Famers right there. All right, let's do this. Let's make this. There we go. We made it. So now I can say that. But that's not important. Don't want to brag. But what is important is, I don't know what's important. I just said that for some reason. I'd say it's about time to get off here and let you guys enjoy the end of the day here. It is literally like 8:30 at night, maybe 8:15, but it's great. I mean, it's still light outside. This is great. All right, so I'm gonna do my art homework and we're gonna sign off. See you.